Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 12-inch MDF board in which we are going to create a dot mandala. I already drew circles and grids, so let's get started right away. I'll start dotting in the center with chrome yellow. Now I'll dot with bamboo green. Now I'll keep tiny dots in bamboo green. Now I'll keep some dots in Indian red. This is a new shade that I found with Fevicryl, so I thought I'll buy and give a try. Now I'll keep tiny dots in Indian red. I'll keep some dots in chrome yellow. Now I'll dot with Indian red. Now I'll keep two side swipes in bamboo green. When you dot for making it as a side swipe, you need to be really careful about the amount of paint you keep in that dot, because that makes a lot of difference about how the swipe finally comes out. Now I'll drag these dots into swipes. I personally prefer dotting and then making it into swipe because that gives me a lot of control over the shape of the swipe. How do you keep swipes? Directly with the tool, or you keep a dot and then drag it to a swipe? Let me know in the comment section. Now I'll keep some chrome yellow dots. Now I'll keep some Indian red dots. Now some bamboo green dots. I'll walk the dots in bamboo green now. Now I'll walk the dots in Indian red. Now I'll keep straight swipes in bamboo green. I'll drag these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep chrome yellow dots in the next circle. Now I'll keep tiny yellow dots. I'll keep some bamboo green dots now. Now I'll keep tiny dots in bamboo green. Now I'll keep dots in Indian red. Now I'll keep tiny dots in Indian red. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. Now I'll keep some bamboo green dots. Now I'll work the dots in bamboo green. I'll keep some Indian red dots. Now I'll work the dots in Indian red. Now I'll keep straight swipe in Indian red. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in bamboo green. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in yellow. I'm sure all of you love this dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.